Hello everyone. This video will present to you one of the main topics that SHRM curriculum brings to you. Since SHRM certification aims to provide all HR professionals with a solid business foundation, it has included one of the trendy topics that is considered one of the crucial roles that HR professionals play to support the overall business strategy. Organizational and Employee Development, OED, is an exciting discipline within human resources because it unites and advances the business objectives of all other functions of an organization. When the HR function understands the business objectives and then starts to cascade down those objectives into sub-objectives for functions, the cross-functional interaction will be much smoother and will enhance the overall business productivity. That's why it is very important for HR leaders to understand the organizational development concept. Moreover, the principles associated with OED are universal, large and small, in every public or private sector, as well as to government, non-governmental, and non-profit organizations. The usefulness of organizational development strategies can be categorized under 4 categories. Organizational effectiveness, which means ensuring that business units are functioning at peak levels through process improvement programs, as well as through working to build the quality of leader-member relations. 2. Organizational structure. An organization's structure is related to the work that the organization does, and also to how jobs are designed and categorized, how several jobs could form a function or a department together. 3. Ongoing performance and productivity initiative. Organizational development involves more than just specialized interventions. Its practice should be integrated into the organizational daily operations. One of the simplest tools OED practitioners use is the ADDIE model: assess, design, develop, implement, and finally evaluate. 4. Organizational learning. Employees' cognitive skills and positive behaviors are often the only factor separating one organization from its competitors. Responsibility for developing behavioral and cognitive skills of an organization's workforce is shared at all levels and should be an ongoing business objective. Although these functional categories might suggest that each aspect of OED can be executed independently, the best results are achieved when all aspects are integrated and synchronized. The strategic plan serves as a critical compass for OED programs, determining the differences between the existing landscape and the desired one provides focus. Once business objectives are established, the business cases and the processes associated with achieving them become clear. Unfortunately, many OD interventions are incorrectly implemented in response to symptoms of the dysfunctional behavior rather than by following a thorough analysis or organizational assessment to reveal the core problem. To avoid this, employers must use caution and make certain a comprehensive data collection process is followed. The most useful assessment information is a combination of quantitative and qualitative data from a variety of resources. Many methods of assessments and interventions are available. The ones used will depend on the types of symptoms being observed.